You want to go off-road. You want to explore places most people never see. But here's the problem. You don't know which 4x4 to buy first. Get it wrong, and you'll waste thousands. Get it right, and the whole world opens up. All right, everyone, welcome back to How to Have Fun 4x4, your off-road ideas and tips channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best first 4x4s you can buy in 2026 for every budget, every purpose, and every level of experience. From affordable beginner rigs to legendary off-road machines trusted all over the world, we've got something for everyone. So buckle up, because the trail starts right now.
Take on the cloud, we gon' make it. Show the world that it's shining our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it.
Coming in at number 5, the Lexus GX 550 Overtrail Plus. If you want luxury and real off-road capability, this thing delivers both. Built on serious off-road DNA with full-time 4WD, locking rear differential, and excellent ground clearance, the GX is ready for trails, camping, and overlanding right from the factory. But unlike hardcore off-road rigs, it's also quiet, comfortable, and easy to live with every day. It's basically the perfect mix of adventure and luxury. Yes, it's expensive, but if your budget allows it, the GX 550 Overtrail Plus is one of the best first premium 4x4s you can buy in 2026. Number 4 is a tie, the Ford Ranger and the Toyota Hilux. Pickup trucks make incredible first 4x4s. Why? Because they're practical enough for daily life and tough enough for serious off-roading. You can haul gear, tow a trailer, and still crawl through mud on the weekend. The Hilux especially has an insane reputation for reliability, used across Africa, South America, and the most remote corners of the world. If you need one vehicle that does everything, this is it. Number 3, the Land Rover Defender. Specifically, a used one. The new Defender is stunning, but for a first 4x4. A used older model gives you incredible capability at a fraction of the cost. The Defender is a legend for a reason, built for explorers. And if you're into the overlanding lifestyle, rooftop tents, long-distance travel, wild camping, nothing looks the part quite like a Defender. Just be ready for maintenance costs. These need love. But for adventure, absolutely iconic. Number 2, the Jeep Wrangler. In 2026, the Wrangler is still the benchmark for raw off-road capability. Solid axles, locking differentials on the Rubicon, removable doors and roof. It's raw, it's capable, and it has one of the biggest aftermarket communities in the world. Whatever upgrade you want, suspension lift, armor, winch, the Wrangler community has already figured it out. The only reason it's not number 1? Running costs can add up fast, but for pure off-road thrills, nothing comes close. And the number 1 best first 4x4 to buy in 2026? The Toyota Land Cruiser. And it's not even close. The Land Cruiser is the most trusted off-road vehicle on the planet. Governments use them. Aid organizations use them. Explorers have driven them across every continent on Earth. Why? Because they simply do not break down. Parts are available everywhere in the world, and they hold their value better than almost any other vehicle. Yes, they cost more up front, but when your first adventure takes you somewhere truly remote, no mechanic, no phone signal, no rescue coming, you want to be sitting in a Land Cruiser. This is the one. So there you have it. The 5 best first 4x4s to buy in 2026. Whether you're on a tight budget or ready to invest in the ultimate adventure machine, there's a perfect 4x4 waiting for you. Now we want to hear from you. Which one would you choose for your first off-road build? Drop your answer down in the comments below. And if you enjoy off-road adventures, overlanding, camping setups, recovery tips, and epic trails from around the world, make sure you subscribe to How to Have Fun 4x4 and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Because out here, the road ends, but the adventure never does. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next trail.